Welcome to our complete guide on how to download the Snapchat app on your Android device. Let's walk through the simple steps to get Snapchat up and running on your phone. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar at the top, type Snapchat and tap the search icon to initiate the search. Scroll through the search results to lock it to the official Snapchat app. You can identify it by its yellow icon featuring a white ghost logo. Tap on the Snapchat app listing to view its details page. On this page, you'll find the Install button. Tap on it to start the download and installation process. Before proceeding, review the permissions requested by the app. Once you're comfortable with the permissions, tap Accept to continue with the installation. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you can access the Snapchat app from your home screen or app drawer. For faster download speeds, you may consider using a VPN app to enhance your download experience. Follow these steps to easily download and install the Snapchat app on your Android device and start connecting with friends in a snap.